Part 2. Hello everyone 5 combination. Easy to tricky. Starting at 4. You may like. Give it a go. Start slow and work your way up. Have fun. Combination numbers not perfect. Sorry. Combo 4. Orthodox. Try southpaw. If you're southpaw, do orthodox. Here try what you're not comfortable with and make it easy.
1 2 1 1 1 2 1. 1 slip 2 1 slip 1 2 5 2 3. 1 1 2 4 1 2 1. 'Tap bob and weave 2. 'Bobbing and weaving. 1 2 1 slip pull back step in 1. 1 2 1 pull back step in 2. 1 2 1 slip 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 pull back 2.